Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video you will learn in detail about the linear and nonlinear dimensions. What is meant by linear and what is meant by nonlinear dimensions with the help of examples. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos. And the sub types of linear dimensions has been also explained in the different videos which are available in this channel in SW Civil Engineering. So let's start the linear and nonlinear dimensions in AutoCAD. So here in the annotate or in home tab, here in the annotations, when you click on this drop down buttons, so this is the linear dimensions, and this is the aligned dimensions, and this is the angular, this is the arc length dimensions, the radius dimensions for the diameter, ordinate, and the log. So all these from here, this is from this aligned, linear and aligned, these are categorized in the linear dimensions, and all the others, this is the angular, arc length, are categorized in the non-linear dimensions. So to understand with the help of example, so let's we start an example. So this is a rectangle, and this is the diagonal, in the rectangle. So if you want to measure the sides, we will use the linear dimensions. So this is the linear dimensions. And if we draw the nonlinear dimensions, so the example of nonlinear dimension is, let's we take this is angular, and in the when I click on the angular, so in the command line you can see it requires to select an arc, circle, or pin. So I want to select this line, and now it requires in the command line to select the second. So I'm selecting this one. So now you can see the angle, which is this one. When I click here, so this dimension will be made, and this is the angle of this horizontal line between the horizontal line and this inclined line of the rectangle, which is 21 degree. This is the non-linear dimensions, and this one and this is called the linear dimensions. So if you have any questions regarding the linear and non-linear dimensions, you can ask in the comment section. And thank you for watching this video.